Welcome to Madame Croque Monsieur. Running a food truck is difficult, but with Odoo Point of Sale, it's a breeze, even on this hot day. But here's a challenge. Can these two service their entire restaurant business with just their mobile phones? Let's find out. And before we start serving food, we need some customers. One of our reservations is calling.
Hello?
They want to move their reservation by 30 minutes.
Oh yeah, just 30 minutes? Oh, we can do that. Okay, see you then.
You heard them, Dallas? Thanks to the back-end integration, we can do it without leaving the POS session. Do you know the common struggle in our food truck? We have lots of clients but only a few tables. With the floating orders feature, we can open tabs for clients. They can just hang out in the grass or come and collect takeaway. And of course, with different clients come lots of different preferences. Fortunately, with the new variants display, they're all visible in the system in one record. And when ordering at the counter, the customers can see their order in real time on the remote display. And when serving customers at their tables, we can easily switch the view by using the Table Selector button. Yup, just like that, Dallas. And you heard the lady, she hates pickles, like any other sane human being. That's why we created a predefined internal note asking to remove them. Clients can just scan a QR code to order one of our lovely combo menus, and they can pay right away with the self-checkout too. Well, now let's go back to Mohammed. He's just putting some final touches on the takeaway order. And perfect, look, the client is here. But if she runs into some friends and decides to stay with them, no problem. We can just merge the floating order with an existing table. Oh, what's that? New drinks just arrived. All Mohammed needs to do is use his phone to scan the barcode, and the new product is immediately created with all the information from the barcode database, and we can edit the info, of course. And when we collect a payment, no terminal is needed. Dallas can simply use his phone. Whoa, that was easy. Okay, fun time's over. Right, you forgot to ask for an invoice for accounting. No worries. You can just scan the QR code to find everything online. That's it from us. Your turn to play.